Recording has started. Identify the polynomial in one variable or more than one variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable means alphabet. Variable means alphabet. Variable means alphabet. So identify the polynomial in one variable or more than one variable. 1 minute. Identify the polynomial in one variable. Now it is very much transparent. Screen is full, my dear. You see the adjustment because every day the setting is like this only. Yes. Now, my dear, everything is there. Yes. Now let us start. Identify the polynomial. Board. Yes. Identify the polynomial in one variable or more than one variable. Y plus y square plus 4. Which variable you can see? Which variable is there? Y. So y is one variable. So answer is one variable y. Answer is one variable. One variable and that is y. Answer is one variable y. This is the answer. Second one, how many variables you can see? X, y, y, z, x, y, z. How many variables? 3 variables. So more than one. You write more than one. More than one variable. More than one variable. And what are the variables? X, y, z. Yes, x, y, z. More than one variable, comma x, y, z. X, comma y, comma z. There are 3 variables. Means more than one variable. Next one, how many variables you can see? 1. X, 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 x. So this is one variable x. One variable, that is x. So you have to find how many variables are there. Next, how many variables you can see? P, 1. One variable P. That is one variable, comma P. P is that variable. Next, how many variable you can see? X, y, z, x, y, z, z, x. How many variables? 3 variables. So more than one variable. More than one variable. And the variables are x, y, z. More than one means 3 variables. More than one variable means x, y, z. More than one variable means 3x, y, z. Next, 8x cube minus 5x square y plus 2y square plus minus 7x plus 3y plus 1. How many variables? 2 variables. What are 2 variables? X and y. What are 2 variables? X and y. Yes. So write down more than one variable. More than one variable. More than one variable. More than one variable. And the variables are x, y. More than one variable and the variables are x, y. So in this you have to find the number of variables, whether it is one variable or more than one variable. So you have to see the variable. Yes, you right. Variable means alphabet. Y square 4. Y is the variable, one variable. X, y, z, x, y, z. 3 variables. X, y, z. X. One. Write it fast. One variable x. Then p raised to 6 by 5 divided by p raised to 1 by 3 plus p raised to 4 minus 7. One variable p. Then x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Yes, ask the doubt. It is very yes. No, my dear, we are only interested in the. Yes. I understood your question. There is no need to simplify. You are telling me the simplification process, but there is no need to simplify. Only by looking at the expression, you have to see how many variables are there. One variable I can say p. One variable p. Whenever it is there to find degree of the polynomial, then only you have to simplify. Whenever you want to find degree of the polynomial. Yes. Even though it is there, you will include the variable. Variable means the alphabet which you can see in the given expression. That's all. There is one alphabet or more than one alphabet? Is it clear? Whatever is the expression. My dear, no. Why it is a polynomial? No. When you will simplify p raised to 6 by 5 divided by p raised to 1 by 3, you will get power as positive. So we are not interested in the simplification because it is as identify. How many variables you can see? 1, 2. P means one variable p. Whenever it is asked find degree of the polynomial, then only we simplify. In this only we have to identify. So we are not simplifying that. By looking at the expression, we just conclude how many variables are involved there in the expression. Is it clear? So by looking at the expression, you have to find how many. Yes, right. That's it. I am not erasing. So to identify, yes, mute the microphone. Now next one, give an example of a binomial. Fourth one, give an example of a binomial. Give an example of a binomial of degree 27 and a monomial of degree 50. Binomial means, tell me, what do you mean by binomial? Two terms. Monomial means one term, correct? Wait. So now we write binomial example. We can write x plus y in the bracket. X plus y, or you can write this as, x raised to 50, x raised to 27 plus y raised to 27. Yes? Are you getting? What is the degree of the polynomial? Yes, what is 27? How many terms are there? Two terms. So whenever two terms are there, it is a binomial, and degree is 27 because the highest power. Monomial. Yes, ask the doubt. No, my dear, you can write. You have to write you can write x. No need of two variable. You can write x raised to 27 plus x also. No problem. Plus x also. X raised to 27 plus x. What is the degree? What is the degree? 27. What is degree of this? 1. So which is the highest power? 27. So degree is 27, correct? Then how many terms are there? 2 terms. So it is a binomial. You can write x also. There is no need to use 2 variables. Yes. So we are writing, you can write anything. It is up to you. What will be monomial of degree 50? Tell me. Monomial means 1 term. You can write x power 50. X power 50 or y power 50. There is 1 term x. Because we want monomial, my dear, monomial. Are you getting? You can give one more example. You can give one more example. No. This is the degree. You can give one more example. A raised to 50. You can give one more example. 2 raised to 50. Yes or no? They are monomial. Monomial means 1 term. No. No, don't write 2 raised to 50, that is confusion. Write either s raised to 50 or a raised to 50, any one you write. 2 raised to 50 don't write, because that will be constant, degree will be 0. 2 raised to 50, there is no variable. No, my dear, only you have to write the polynomial, you have to write down the monomial. Monomial means 1 term. And degree 50, power 50. You write 1 term with power 50, that will be monomial. You write 2 term with degree 20. My dear, because you want second one, you want monomial of degree 50, no? What is degree of the polynomial? It is the highest power. So 27, degree of this binomial is 27. Then what is x raised to 50? What is power? 50. So monomial. 1 term, monomial, 1 term, monomial, 1 term, monomial. What is power? 50. So degree of monomial is 50. Is it clear? X raised to 50. Then fifth question, find the value of the polynomial. 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 6x minus 4x square, 6x minus 4x square plus 5 at the given value a, x is equal to 0. You have to find the value of this polynomial when the variable x take the value 0. So when the variable x take the value 0, you have to find the value of this polynomial first. So my polynomial is 6x minus 4x square plus 5. 6x minus 4x square plus 5. It is very much clear, right? Now we want to find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0. Means when the variable take the value 0. When the variable take the value 0. So what I will do, word problem, yes. So 6x minus 4x square plus 5, you want to find the, let it be, power become v, just we want to find the value of this polynomial when the variable x take the value 0. So what I will do, I will write, put x is equal to 0 in this. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in this. So you will get in, I will replace x by 0. So 6 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 5. What is 6 into 0? Yes, 0 multiplied by any number will give you 0. 6 into 0, 0. Minus 4 into 0 square is 0. Are you getting? 0 square is 0 plus 5. So what is that? 0 minus 0 plus 5. No, it is, it is dot. Dot means we replace x by 0. We want to find the value of this polynomial at 0. My dear, it is right cross. Chalo, right cross. If you are confused with dot, right cross. Right cross. Chalo. So 0 minus 0 plus 5, the answer is 5. The final answer is 5. The value of this polynomial at 0 is 5. Now yes, I will send the video. The value of this polynomial at 0, you put x is equal to 0 in the polynomial. You replace x by 0. Put x is equal to 0 in this. Replace x by 0 and simplify. Mute the microphone. Yes. B, x is equal to minus 1. B, x is equal to minus 1. Now we want to find the value of this polynomial at minus 1. So my polynomial is 6x minus 4x square plus 5. We want to find the value of this polynomial at minus 1. When the variable x take the value minus 1, so try to understand, I am explaining. We want to find the value of this polynomial when variable x take the value minus 1. So I will write put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. So replace x by minus 1. So you will get 6 into minus 1. 6x means 6 into x. 6 into minus 1. Then minus 4 into x is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 5. Only I will replace x by minus 1. 5 will remain 5 because there is no x. Now we use the rule of multiplication. What is multiplication of plus and minus? What is sign of 6? Sign of 6 is plus and minus. So plus into minus, minus, minus. Yes. So then 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Then minus 4 into, minus 1 power 2. What will be minus 1 power 2? Cap is 2. So whatever is power, that number of times I have to multiply the variable. So power is 2. So I will, not minus 2. I will multiply minus 1 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1. 2 times you have to multiply minus 1. Because minus 1 is raised to power 2. Plus 5. Plus 5 I will write as it is. Then this is minus 6. See here, my dear, whenever we have plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then before we apply plus, minus, we have to simplify multiplication and division. Yes or no? Because BODMAS you have studied. First you have to simplify. No. Minus 6 and minus 4 you will not simplify. First you will simplify this multiplication. Because first we perform multiplication and division. Then we perform addition and subtraction. BODMAS. First we simplify multiplication or division. After multiplication or division we simplify addition or subtraction. This is the rule. So minus 6 and minus 4 you cannot simplify. Is it clear? Now let us see. Let us see the multiplication of minus, minus, minus. How many times? See here. 1 minute. 1 minute. Minus into minus plus. Then plus into minus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. plus into minus, minus. So finally it will be minus. Then multiply the number 4 into 1 into 1, 4. 4 into 1 into 1, 4 plus 5. Are you getting? First you have to multiply the sign. Then you have to multiply the number. Now minus and plus anyone you can perform. What is minus 6 minus 4? Yes? See here. I had told you whenever I have started integer, mute the microphone. Whose microphone is disturbing? Mute the microphone. During integer I have told you, in addition, whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Whenever they have same sign in addition or subtraction, whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. So, 1 minute. Minus 6 and minus 4, they have same sign. 4x square. Now no, it is multiplication sign. Now minus 6 and minus 4, they have same sign, minus. So I will take the common sign minus 6 and minus 4, I will take the common sign minus. It is very much clear, right? Minus 6 and minus 4, I will take the common sign minus, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. So minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 plus 5. Now minus 10 and 5, they have opposite sign. 10 is having minus, 5 is having plus. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So that is minus and plus, opposite sign, subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. Now which number is bigger? 10. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 5. Answer is minus 5. My dear, minus 6 and minus 4, they have same sign, minus, plus. Whenever they have same sign in integer, I have taught you. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. So 6 plus 4, 10. What is the common sign? Minus. Then minus and plus, they have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So minus and plus, subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. Which number is bigger? 10. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 5. Answer is minus 5. Clear? Answer is no, my dear. See, this is minus 6 and minus 4. But minus 4 is multiplied with this. This is my multiplication. So first we have to perform multiplication and division, and then we perform addition or subtraction. BODMAS. First multiplication, division, then addition, subtraction. So this is minus 4 is multiplied. So first I will perform this multiplication. I will not write minus 6 and minus 4. No, because first 4 is multiplied with this. 1 minute. Minus sign we write as it is. Then what is minus into minus? Minus into minus plus. So 4 into 1, 4. So answer is minus 4. Are you getting? If you write minus 4 as it is, then my dear, it is no. It is minus 1 power 2. Minus 1 power 2 means you have to multiply minus 1 2 times. Power means that number of times you have to multiply the head. You have to, yes. My dear, 1 minute. Minus into minus plus then plus into minus, minus, so final sign is minus. After multiplying the sign, now you multiply the numbers. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4, so answer is minus 4. Now see, Arey my dear, first you will perform these two, no? See, in addition or subtraction you can perform any one. But whenever addition subtraction are with multiplication, then first you have to perform multiplication or division. You have to go as per the hierarchy. First we have to perform multiplication division. After multiplication division, the second stage you have to perform addition or subtraction. Addition and subtraction, anyone you can perform first. You will get same answer. Now see, x is equal to 2. Find the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. So 6x minus 4x square plus 5. Now I will put x is equal to 2. Yes, mute the microphone. Put x is equal to 2. So put x is equal to 2. Replace x by 2. So 6 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 5. Yes, mute the microphone, my dear. What is 6 into 2? 12 minus 4 into. Now what is power of 2? Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, please. Power of 2 is 2. Mute the microphone. Power of 2 is 2. Power of 2 is 2. Power of 2 is 2. The next period I will not allow. Please, parent, take care. If you are not listening, what is the name? Next period I will definitely not allow. Now all of you pay attention here. 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 means power is 2. So you have to multiply 2 2 times. Plus 5. So 12 minus. Now you have to perform the multiplication. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Then minus sign is there. So 12 minus 16. 4 2s are 8. You will not write 12 minus 4 first. No. First I will perform multiplication. You will not simplify 12 minus 4. No. First you have to simplify multiplication. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Plus 5. Now plus and minus you can perform any one. No problem. What is sign of 12? Plus. What is sign of 16? Minus. Plus and minus they have opposite sign. So you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 16 minus 12, 4. Now which number is bigger? 16. What is sign of that? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5. Now again they have opposite sign. Minus and plus. Opposite sign subtract. Smaller number from bigger number. Opposite sign you subtract. No, not minus 9, my dear. Minus and plus they have opposite sign. So you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 5 minus 4, 1. Which number is bigger? Answer is 1. Which number is bigger? 5. What is sign of that? Plus. So we write plus 1. But normally we don't show plus sign. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. Minus 6 and minus 4, my dear. Minus 6 and minus 4, they have same sign. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add and take the common sign. So minus 6 and minus 4, minus same sign. Add 6 plus 4, 10. Take the common sign minus, so minus 10. Mute the microphone. Now, next is, mute the mute the microphone. X is equal to minus 5. Find the value of the polynomial 6x minus 4x square plus 5. When x take the value minus 5. So I will write put x is equal to minus 5. Put x is equal to minus 5 in this. So I will replace x by minus 5. So 6 into minus 5. Then minus 4 into My dear, even if you don't, no, there is no closing bracket, my dear. There is no closing bracket. 4 into x square, x is minus 5. Yes. Minus 5 square plus 5. So first simplify. What is multiplication of plus and minus? Plus and minus. Plus and minus. So 6 into 5, 30. Okay. Then minus 4 into minus 5 square. What is the power? 2. So I will multiply minus 5 2 times. So minus 5 into minus 5 2 times, because power is 2. Then we write plus 5. Then we write plus 5. So again minus 30 and minus 30 and minus 4 I will not simplify, because first I have to perform this multiplication. First I have to perform multiplication. So minus 30 we keep as it is. Now multiply. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Yes. What is minus into plus? Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, minus. So final sign is minus. Then 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 5, 100. Are you getting? 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 5, 100. Then minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So final sign will be minus. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 5, 100. Then plus 5 I will write as it is. Now out of minus and plus you can perform any one. Now this is minus, same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Not, my dear, minus 95. Again you are doing mistake. You are subtracting. I will not subtract. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Again I am telling you. Whenever, no, how they are not having same sign? Minus minus, minus minus same sign, no. Minus minus same sign. Minus minus same sign. My dear, we are simplifying these two first. We are simplifying these two first. First we are, so minus minus, minus minus, common sign minus, and add the number 30 plus 100, 130. Now plus 5 I will write as it is. Now they have opposite sign. This is minus, this is plus. Opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. My dear, in plus minus, anyone you can perform. Plus minus, anyone you can perform. Addition, subtraction, they are at the same level. So anyone you can perform. But you have to take care, whenever there is multiplication or division, first I will perform multiplication, division. If that is over, then addition and subtraction, anyone I can perform first. Now minus sign and plus sign, opposite sign. So I have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 130 minus 5, 125. Then which number is bigger? 130. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 125. Answer is minus. You have to. Okay. No problem. So answer is minus 125. Answer is minus 125. Wait, my dear, 5 minutes are there. Don't say me period is over. 5 minutes or more. 5 minutes or more. My dear, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, they are. Let it be. Let it be, no. What is harm there? 2 minutes. Now next is 6. Sixth question. A is minus 3 and B is 2. A is minus 3, B is 2. Find the value of the polynomial. First A is 7AB square. 7AB square. So replace, put A is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 2 in this. You have to find the value of this. So that will be 7 into a. What is the value of a? Minus 3 into b square. What is b? 2. b is 2 raised to 2. Power of b is 2. So that is 7 into minus 3. 7 into minus 3 into what do you mean by 2 power 2? You have to multiply the head 2 times. 2 into 2. Now you have to, whenever there is multiplication, first you have to multiply all the sign. Plus into minus, plus, see here, my dear, see this. This is plus, minus, plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So final sign will be minus. Final because see, it is b power 2, no? b power 2. What is value of b? 2. So 2 power 2. 2 power 2. So plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So final sign will be minus. And then multiply the number. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42 2s are 84. So final answer is minus 84. Final answer is minus 84. Yes, directly we find the number by multiplying. Then second is AQ minus AB. AQ minus AB. AQ minus AB. After this we'll stop. AQ minus AB. Sixth question, you are given the value of a and b. Find the value of this polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial 7ab square where a is minus 3, b is 2. Second is AQ minus AB. A power 3 minus AB. What is the value of a? Minus 3. So minus 3 power 3 minus a minus 3 into b, b is 2. What do you mean by minus 3 power 3? Whatever is the power, that much number of times you have to multiply the head. Head is minus 3. So that will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 3 times. Because power is 3. Then what is minus into minus? Minus into minus plus. Correct? Plus. Minus into minus plus. 3 into 2, 6. Now again you minus 3 power 3, no? So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 3 times because power is 3. Then minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. Now you have to multiply minus minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So answer is minus. 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27. Then plus 6. Are you getting? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So final sign is minus. Multiply the number. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Now they have opposite sign, minus and plus, opposite sign. So you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 27 minus 6 is 21. 21. Now which number is bigger? 27. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus. So answer is minus 20. Minus 21 is the answer. Answer is minus 21. Is it clear? My dear, see, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus, then 3 into 2, 6, plus 6, minus, my dear, A is 3, B is 2, find the value. Find the value. Now we stop here, find the value. You can, this is that, you can directly do, chalo. Yes. Bye. Now we stop here. Bye. Only for assessment 3B, only one chapter percentage is kept. And how much we have done in the class, that much is there. Yes, now see you in the fourth period. Today we are having